what are you playing with? You found more blockies. How can I get those blockies out of there? Cannot get blockies. Oh, I think I'll just eat the bag. I think I'll just eat it. Yummy. Jade, can I take it away? Where'd it go? Jade. Jade. She says, I prefer to play with the blocky bag. Say thank you, Auntie Melissa, for blockies, for my yummy snack.